Alright, so we have our two addition problems here. We're going to look at the top one first, up here. Okay. We notice our denominators are the same. The first thing we need to look at when we're adding or subtracting fractions is our denominators. They're the same. Okay, so we're color coded here, so let's add blue with blue. 1 and 1 is 2. Okay. Going to yellow and yellow, 1 and 1 is 2. And we leave our denominator the same. We don't mess with that because it's an addition problem. So it's the same amount of pieces go into the whole, which is 2. So this will end up being 3 when we reduce down all the way. But for the math part, simple numbers, simple process. That way you guys can understand it and apply to bigger numbers. Let's move to the bottom. The bottom we have unlike denominators here. 3 and 2. Okay, so we're gonna, this one again just happens to be the same as our previous problem where we basically multiply by each other. The lowest common multiple is going to be a 6. So 3 times 2, remember whatever you do to one, you have to do to the other, top and bottom. Same over here, we're going to give this a 3 because we want it to be 6. That's a 3. Okay, so that's going to turn this into 2 over 6. That's going to turn this into 3 over 6. Now we can add together. So our denominator is going to be 6. Numerator 2 plus 3 is 5. And our whole numbers together are 2. Okay. Same process as adding like fractions and unlike fractions without having a whole number in front. Just adding the whole number, all you do is add those two numbers together. Okay, this is a very simple process once you understand it. If you need to go back, remember this is a video. You can always go back, stop it, wherever you need to, take notes, etc. Next video will be subtraction of mixed numbers.